you believe that the bottles we drink beverages are made from these used plastic bottles? The factory will first take the recycled plastic bottles, put into the shredder for shredding process. Then a conveyor belt sends the pieces into a water tank. And the heavier pieces are also the useful parts. It will sink to the bottom of the water. Then, using soapy water, remove the residual glue and bottle residue from the fragments. After cleaning, the pieces will become clean and shiny. The factory sorts the pieces according to their color. The pieces of the desired color are heated to 280 degrees Celsius and they become melted. At this point, the pieces have turned into a clear streamer. After the plastic strips are cooled with water, they are cutted into small particles 4 mm wide. At this point, the plastic particles are so clean that you wonder. The plastic pellets are loaded into these huge drums, dried at a temperature close to the melting point for 18 hours. This is to increase the toughness of the pellets, also to act as a sterilization and disinfection. At this point, the plastic pellets then, it is safe to use in the manufacture of brand new plastic beverage bottles. You would never expect a 500 ml plastic bottle. It takes about 1,500 plastic pellets. These pellets are delivered to the beverage factory. Then the plastic pellets will be heated to 240 degrees Celsius. The bottle is a test tube. It's not like any other bottle you've ever seen. Don't worry, the flow robots in the factory will stack the boxes full of bottle blanks in a neat. After the bottles have been in the factory for 24 hours, they will be poured into the conveyor belt and sent to the blow molding machine. The blow molding machine takes only 0.1 seconds to blow mold a bottle. First, the shaper picks up a bottle. Then it injects ultra-high pressure air. The bottle will then expand into the shape of a mold. This is how a common bottle is made. Before the beverage is canned, the formed bottles are first sent to the cleaning area. Each bottle is washed with sterilized water. In the canning area, each bottle is slowly filled with the previously prepared blackcurrant beverage. After the bottles are filled with the beverage, the top gap of the bottle is filled with nitrogen gas. Remove air before sealing. This not only increases the hardness of the bottle, it is also done so that the beverage can be kept at room temperature for up to 9 months. After sealing, the bottle is lubricated to allow the label to fit smoothly. The bottle is then lubricated so that the label paper will fit smoothly over the bottle. This kind of drink in a bottle made from used bottles. Will you drink it?